me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to share with you a huge Christmas decor and other item haul. I think we went to 5 different stores. This is over a few weeks, so yeah, I just saved it to show it all to you. So let's get started. Okay, over here we're going to start with Dollar Tree. We've got some cute ornaments. They're the mini ornaments for small Christmas trees. I thought these were cute and very farmhouse, as well as these. All of these were $1.25. And then we got this cute cutting board. It says Merry. It's like a charcuterie tray. It comes with a knife from the plus section for $5. This would make a great gift. And then moving on over here, we got some dishes. I got a set of 6 the cups, bowls, plates, and these chargers at the bottom. See? These cups. I really like these bowls. The most wonderful time of the year. This is just like a cookie Santa plate. Baking Spirits Bright. The regular dinner plate, and then the charger. Had to go to 2 different stores to find 6 of these, but I think they're cute. And then moving on over here, this berry garland, $3. I don't know if I'm gonna use it as garland or take it apart for some DIYs. We'll see in the future. I got 3 of these different candy bowls for $1.25. They stack on each other as well. You can use them for baking or for candy dishes, or even for compiling a gift and giving it, and that would be cute. Over here we have this cute metal jug for $3. Farm Fresh Christmas trees. Some tiny tree toppers. All of my kids love to have their own Christmas trees, so I had to get a couple more of those. And then here are some ornaments from Dollar Tree. Farmhouse Christmas, Holly and Jolly, and then my husband liked these little snowflakes. We also got these washcloth sets. I think there's 5 in them, and they were $3 a piece. And then these iridescent lights for $5. I got them for the tree in my girls' room. They like snowy winterland kind of thing, so that's what I'm going to try to save for them. Alright, moving on to Dollar General. I really just got a few of their ornaments. They were $1 a piece, cheaper than Dollar Tree. This Merry one. I got these 3 ornaments. They say Joy, Peace, and Merry. I just thought they were cute, and they kind of reminded me of like a Ray Dunn dupe. I know a lot of people are kind of over Ray Dunn, but I am not. Over here, this M ornament. My name starts with an M, and my husband found that and bought it for me. And then this little cute snowman one. This is Merry Christmas. I think this is like a door hanger. It says Joy on it for $2. Also from Dollar General, we found this towel set. Comes with a regular bath towel and 2 washcloths, and the set was $8. I bought 2 of them for my master bathroom. I just got a couple things here from Walmart. It's this cute like charcuterie board, cheese knife set. I think it was $7.67. I'm not 100% sure. I'll pop the price up on the screen right here. And then this ornament, the gold bells. I like the gold bell theme this year, along with like traditional and rustic kind of Christmas. I like it all, and I make it work. So this was $1.98. And then from the Target Dollar Spot, I got these bells. They're pretty large bells, and they were $5 a piece. I got these gingerbread cookie cutter type deals. It's $5, but it comes with a set of 2. So you have a large one and a small one. So I thought those were adorable. as well as this like snowflake, as well as this snowflake lantern. I like the leather detailing on it. And then I bought these LED picks to put in it, but they're way too tall for it, so I have to figure out something else to do with them. But I already put batteries in them. I thought they were adorable. And then also from the Dollar Tree Plus spot, I found these 2 pillows. They're $5 a piece, red and green. They also had a peppermint one. And I want to say they had a Christmas tree with lights on it, but I'm not sure if that was Dollar Tree or Five Below. Alright, and here is round 2. I couldn't fit everything on the bed the first go round, so here is the last little bits. I'm sure I'm missing some stuff, but I'll insert it at the end if I am. So let's get started. This side is basically Dollar Tree stuff. I got these candy cane spoons for $1.25. I've heard people say that they don't taste very good. I'm not sure. This is my first time finding them. So I'll let you know in a future video, but I really just bought them for decoration. I found this cute candle in the plus section. It was $5 and it smells just like a candy cane. That is the scent, Candy Cane Lane. And I just thought it was cute. Here is some garland I bought to put in my master bathroom. Lights up. I think this, I'm not sure if it was $3 or $5 from the plus section. And then this doorbell hanger was $1.25. Here's this big tray. It says Farm Fresh Christmas Tree, Sleigh Rides Hot Cocoa. This thing is actually pretty massive for $5. It says it's a serving tray and it is food safe. And then over here, I got these cute pillowcases. They are also just $1.25 from Dollar Tree. This is what it looks like. Farm Fresh Christmas trees. They have some other ones. They have a gingerbread man, a red truck, and then I believe some candy canes. I have the candy canes. I already put them on the front porch, so I'll insert a clip of those here. But I thought that was perfect for $1.25. I don't think you can find a pillow cheaper than $5 right now, so you just put an old pillow that you have or some fluff from an old pillow, you fill in with that and it'll work perfectly. Here's an LED projector light. Just thought the kids would like it. It's a red truck. I have another one, but I don't know where it went. And then I got some of these reflective magnets, 2 packs. And then we're gonna put them on the car, as well as some like reindeer antlers. They were supposed to light up, but they don't, but they're already on the car, so I'll show you that. And then we found these Twinkie candy canes. The kids just wanted to try them, so yeah. Over here we have a tray from Dollar General. Noel Farms Christmas trees. It was $2. And then here is this Christmas tree like bin I'm gonna keep by the fireplace. We don't really do wood burning. It's too hot in Texas, so maybe I'll put some blankets in it, or maybe just some logs for decor. I don't know, but it's also a pretty decent size. And it was $6. And then this cute sign, "Have yourself a merry little Christmas," also from Dollar General, $2. And I think this Christmas countdown was also $2. And then over here, the last thing from Target Dollar Spot is this. It's like a Christmas tree, snowy Christmas tree cupcake stand. I thought was cute to put by the sink, to put like dish soap on it or something, or maybe use it on the cocoa bar, coffee bar, whatever you prefer. Over here, I got a couple more things from Walmart. Just this mini Christmas tree. It was $2.98, and I thought it was way bigger than it is. So I'll be using that on a tier tray. And then my husband found these cute, it's a 3-piece spatula set, and they look like mittens, and we just thought that was adorable, so we got those. And the last few things we have to share are from Temu. I got 4 of these cute like puppy paw print ornaments. We have 4 dogs, so I thought I'd use my Cricut machine and put each of their names on them. And then here is like a cutting board shaped like a Christmas tree. Pop the prices up that I paid for them on the screen right here. And this cute, like, it's like plastic tray. You can either use it separately and then you'll have like fruits and veggies on one, fruits on the other, or dipping sauces, or you can kind of layer it like that. I don't know what I'm going to do. The options are endless. We also got these big bulb or ornament garlands. They're red and green. I got 3 of them. I wanted to do something else with them on the porch, but I could only find 3, and it took us forever to be able to find them in multiple locations. But I think it's pretty cute. Say hi. That is it for now. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. God bless.
Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.